Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record videos using your phone camera while the screen is completely turned off. This trick is super handy if you want to record discreetly, save battery, or just keep things low-key without drawing attention. Whether you're trying to capture something privately or just avoid lighting up the whole room with your screen, this method will come in clutch. All right, let's dive straight into it. First, open the Google Play Store and search for an app called Record Video with Screen Off. This app allows you to record using your phone's camera, even when the screen is off. Unlike your regular camera app, which usually stops recording when the screen goes dark. I'll also leave a direct download link in the description below to make it easier for you. Now let's wait for the download to complete. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it up and grant all the necessary permissions it asks for. Now here's a quick walkthrough of the settings. Under the Settings tab, you can choose which camera to use, whether front or back. Now go back to the record section. At the top left corner, you'll see a small mic icon. Tap that to enable or disable microphone recording. Next to it is the flashlight icon, which lets you record with the flashlight on if you need extra light. If you want to preview the recording while it's happening, you can toggle on the preview option as well. Now let's do a quick test to see how it works. I'm going to hit the record button, exit the app, and turn off the screen. Now I'll turn the screen back on, reopen the app, and go to the video section. And there it is! The video was recorded successfully while the screen was off. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. A quick and easy way to record videos with your phone while the screen is off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.